All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's review, I'm gonna be doing an iPhone 12 case review from Tech21. As you can see here, this is their Recovrd case. So Tech21 was kind enough to send this out for my unbiased opinion and review. So big thank you and shout out to Tech21 for making this video possible. Now this case is going to be a slim profile case, but it's for those people that are real green-minded, earth-friendly minded. And what I mean by that is, with it being a Recovrd case, this case is made, like it says, 100% recycled phone cases. So it is made from 100% of old phone cases, old Tech21 phone cases. So what they do is they actually ground them down into pellets, mix them together, and mold them into a hygienically clean case that offers drop protection up to 8 feet. Or at least that's what it says on their website. But with that being said though, it is a very slim profile case that's gonna give you 8 feet of impact protection there. So that is awesome. It's 100% recycled, which is pretty cool. And it is hygienic protection. So it is, like I said, made or has this built-in formula that helps reduce microbes up to 99.99%. So a little bit of science into this case too. But let's go ahead and take a peek here at the box. Now this case is gonna run you about 39 bucks roughly. So it's not the cheapest case out there, but if you know anything about Tech21, you know you're getting some good quality out of this case here. Obviously this fits the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. They do make this for the Pro Max and the Mini. I will link all those in my affiliate links down in the description. But let's go ahead and look here. So you got Recovrd here with Tech21 branding, Recovrd there with Tech21 branding, just some barcodes at the bottom, a little bit of breakdown of the back of the box here. So it does talk about that they're pushing boundaries to develop innovative products, yada, 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 100% recycled, drop protection, the built-in hygienic protection, and it is a non-slip grip. So it's a self-healing case that is lightweight, compact, and easy to hold. And it does have a 1-year limited warranty if you care to know that. So as far as getting it out, very easy. You literally just slide this up and that's it. So here is the case itself. So it's this like matte black material. Depending on the light where it hits it, sometimes it even looks like a really dark gray to me, but it is a matte black material, very smooth, feels pretty grippy. As far as the inside goes, let's go ahead and focus on that. So you have this pattern here that is all throughout the interior of the case. Now this is going to be able to help absorb some of that impact when you drop the phone, God forbid if you do. You've got the little recycle logo there, 100% recycled protection. And then if you look throughout the interior of the bumpers, you do have some nice bumpers here that have some reinforced corners for that bumper protection and corner protection when you drop it. So it's a very slim profile case, very flexible, but let's go ahead and slap it on my iPhone 12 real quick and see what it looks like. And there it is. So this is on my black iPhone 12. This will fit the 12 Pro obviously, but if you care for any of the iPhone 12 lines, it's gonna look identical, except you're not gonna have 2 lenses, you'll have 3. But there it is there. It's super slim, as you can see. Now, as far as the camera bump design goes, it's very nice and precise with some raised protection around the camera bump to give you some solid lens protection if you do place it back down, which let's go ahead and do that real quick. It is completely flat, so there is no wobble at all. So very nice slim design on the back here. So I do really like that little bump there. So super simple and sleek. As far as going to the sides here, you do have a really nice texturized grip that runs around the whole entire side of the phone. So if you can see it there, it's just this nice texture. Let me see if I can rub my finger on it if you can hear it. So it definitely has a little texture to it. You got some Tech21 branding there, so very sleek and simple. Got your power button here that is raised, so very easy to find when you're doing one-handed operations there. And then going around to the bottom here, nice precise cutouts for your lightning port and your speaker grills. And then continuing on to this side here, as you can see, that texturized grip continues from the bottom of that bumper or corner all the way up. So you do have some nice cutouts here for your alert slider and your volume up and down buttons, which once again, you can see that they are raised, very easy to find. And then going to the top, you still have that texturized grip, but obviously there's no mic cutouts or anything up there. So there it is. Now let's go ahead and take a peek at the front of the phone. So you do get 8 feet of drop protection with this phone case, even though it is super, super slim. You do have some raised lips around the whole entire front of the phone. So it's gonna be able to help with protecting your screen if you do put it face down on any surface. And it is completely flat once again, so no wobble or shake there. But it is going to protect that phone screen if you do drop it. And I do have a tempered glass on here, so it is tempered glass friendly. It's not messing up my tempered glass at all. So there is kind of how it looks up against that. So all in all, it looks like a really good case, especially knowing that it's from Tech 21, knowing that you're getting 8 feet of drop protection, which is huge. I really like it so far. All right, so now let's go ahead and jump into the actual button test here and do my clicky button test and see how responsive they are. So let's do the power button first. And volume up and down. So definitely very clicky button, so passes the clicky button test, no problem at all. Now let's go ahead and do that alert slider test and see the ease of access to that. So super easy, no problems at all with the alert slider there. So now last but not least, let's go ahead and do the MagSafe test here and see how that performs. So MagSafe compatible, no issues at all. So it's definitely going to snag on there since it is a pretty slim case. And as you can see here, it instantly finds it there. Is it a super solid connection? A little bit, but obviously if you start moving it pretty vigorously, it's gonna fall off. But that's kind of the case with most thin cases regardless, unless it's got that dedicated ring like the Apple case and some other cases. But yeah, so it is MagSafe compatible, so that is good to know. So there you have it, guys. This is the Recovrd case from Tech 21 for the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. If you are someone that likes a slim case that feels pretty good in the hands, I really like this texturized grip on the side, so it definitely does help with holding the phone case in my hands on my phone. The back, I could see it being a smudge magnet, as you can see here. Fingerprints aren't gonna be an issue, but smudges will definitely be an issue with this case. So if you're OCD like me, you'll probably be constantly wiping it down. But for the most part, with it having this matte texture, it feels good in the hands. Might be a little slippery depending on what you're putting it on, but for the most part, tables, things like that, it's not gonna slip and slide. But yeah, so hit that like button, guys. If you liked the video, if you loved it, you know what to do. Give me a sub and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. But yeah, be safe out there and we'll see you on the next one.